Hey friends, we're here going to install this massive 100-inch TV today for this client. We are going to be doing that. We're going to be using this massive Sanus full motion mount that supports up to 175 pounds. The TV alone is like, I think 134 pounds or something, but we're going to be installing it on this wall here, and yeah, hopefully everything goes well. We got a big crew here to help out because it's gonna weigh a lot and it's gonna be unwieldy when we get it up there. But we're gonna just do the regular thing. We're gonna get it prepped. We'll find hopefully some studs back here that we can mount to. The tricky thing with stucco is that you have this chicken wire stuff that they put the stucco on, and that kind of interferes with the stud finders. So the problem is you can't really find a stud really well with a stud finder. So you have to do other things like just drill holes and keep going until you find something. So we're gonna start by getting the bracket ready and then getting the TV prepped with the bracket that goes on the back of the TV. So this guy is our Sanus VXF 730B2. So it's the biggest full motion mount that Sanus makes. And like I said before, it supports up to 175 pounds, which we pretty much need because the TV is about 130 pounds, give or take a little. So typically we just like to get this opened up, and first little bit is always this little template that you can put on the wall. That is quite a bit bigger than what we usually do. So generally what we do is get this part on first. This is the backer for the TV. It's actually the part that interfaces with the mount. We'll get this kind of here ready, and then we'll just break into the TV box and get that opened up. So we're gonna do that next. Okay, we're gonna just start opening the TV, just so. Straight up off the TV. And we picked a heck of a day to mount a TV outside on a patio. It's like 44 degrees right now. $2 cash. Name that movie. It's one of our favorites at Home Hacks. Better Off Dead. We did actually a Better Off Dead card for a Christmas card one year. It was pretty funny. Look at those lag bolts. Those things are ginormous. That's what you get when you're doing a TV that's rated for up to 100, TV mount that's rated for up to 175 pounds.
I always start with putting the bracket on the TV because I like to use that as my measurement of where we're gonna set our mount. Like, this is always the very first step.
The question would be, is this TV in their database of their height finder database, right?
No, I don't ever use the height finder tool.
Well, you should.
There we go. So, the way this bracket works, the TV will sit inside here, this little piece. See that? Big doggy dog. And then this is gonna sit right inside of that bracket. You wanna grab that, Greg? And then open those. This is nice because once you get it set, you can close this and it just closes around this and makes a nice clean attachment. So I set this right in here. And let me get this to sit flat. So now I take a measurement from the top of the hole here on the bracket to where the top of the TV is. And that way we know what our hanging dimensions are. Yeah, if you'll do that.
It is 16 inches.
Mechanical filter. Pop this out. Hooey! Mother! Front door! Got me fingers. Ow.
So that's how tall it is?
Uh-huh. Except the question is how. Okay, make a line. And then I'd like you to set 50 kind of right in the middle there. Okay. I'll go ahead and mark 50. Here's 88. Okay.
16 to
top of hole.
right there.
Basically right there, yeah. So we'll put that there, we'll level it. But that's
Basically where
it's got to go, is right here. And now the next challenge for us is going to be finding where stud muffins live in here to attach this to. Stucco is, and
Do you think it's one of those boxes like?
oh man, it's got an extension ring on it, so maybe it'll be a little easier. Is the extension ring connected? Because this box is like super loose. Nope, it's not.
Oh, so it's just in.
Oh, sweet. It's an after the fact box. So I can, oh, and it's not thick stucco. Easy peasy. Whoever did this did a poopy job. Okay, here we go. So I can take my tape measure and find the edge
Of the
this
stud muffin.
stud. Oh. Okay, so that is 3 1/4 inches
To the stud?
to the stud.
Okay.
So if this is going to be 16 inches on center, which most studs are, we first want to go 3 1/4. That's the edge
Of the
of
stud.
the stud, and our 2x4 is going to be,
Standard 2x4 is 1.5 inches, isn't it?
I think so, something like that. So what I'd like to do is
Or is it 3/4? Now I'm second guessing myself.
ask our friend Chad.
How wide is a standard 2x4?
Oh, you
A
got it.
standard 2x4 piece of lumber has actual dimensions of 1.5 thick and 3.5 wide.
Okay.
This answer is from byscotty.com.
Bye, Scotty.
By Scotty. Well, thanks, by Scotty.
Hold it right on the center, because they go
the tape.
16 inches on center. And so that means my next one is going to go about right
Where's the tape and all?
there. Okay, and I'm gonna go center there. Okay, there's that. Let's do one more. So that should be roughly our studly stud pattern. And we'd hit center at about 10 1/4. So let's go here at 10 1/4. Still need to level this. 10 1/4 is like, we may want to move this just ever so slightly that way.
Probably that way, honestly, right? Because
Oh,
the
yeah,
studs
because then
are
it
that
centers
way.
it a little more. Yeah. I'm just gonna go from right here.
Tape works really well in the cold.
On stucco. Oh, thank you. So we'll go 10 1/4 here. And then this one to center is about 5 3/4. Okay, so that should be it.
The van had a steering wheel heater after all this.
Okay. Now, let's find something that's really long and poke in there and see if we're hitting stud. We're studs. We're studs. Yep, we got it.
First try.
First try. See,
First try.
math works. They're right here. Yeah, that is it. Got him. Okay, so our holes are pre-drilled. We're gonna remove our little template. It's just like painting. I always say painting is 90% preparation and 10% of the action.
Actual painting.
Yes. These are some fat laggies. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. We're in business, dead level. Okay, now comes the real fun part.
Now we put this little fella on, the little arm. Just put it right there. Oh boy.
Yeah, it's super beefy. And then we need the little Allen key to tighten it up. Or is this one in?
Yeah, we do need it right here.
It's got a little steel plate in the back that pinches it tight against this so that it can't move.
And then
Give it some good beefy crankage. It's a technical term, you know.
beefy crankage.
Beefy crankage. We can pull these off.
That ain't going nowhere, my friends.
Oh, oh, it hurts. Oh, I did it. I hung myself from it. Let's go up. Spin around. Wait, wait, wait. Well, we're gonna have to go low. Let me get a low grip real quick. Oh my gosh. That thing is beefy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go.
You got
towards
it.
McGuire.
Okay.
And right there. And snap it.
Okay.
This screw goes in next.
Oh, I gotta put this box back in.
And we'll keep it from
While
falling
you're doing
down.
that, I'm gonna put this back in place. Ow, my finger.
Okay, if I could see black on black. Failing eyes, my old eyes. So,
There we go.
we get that screw in there and we tighten her down. That ain't going nowhere, boys. All right, here we go. Oh, so satisfying,
Excuse me, I can't see.
as the kids say. Or as my now 12-year-old, at the time he was not 12 when he said it, but he would say sadnessfying. Because his sisters would always say, that is satisfying, and he'd say, that is sadnessfying.
You have to make sure you set the level not just at the bracket, but also back here on the mount. So I'm gonna grab the level and set that real quick. Oh, nailed it. Oh, nailed it again, double nailage. I need a little bit of that. Dab it up. Dab me up, bro.
Dab me up. So
Satisfying.
satisfying.
Oh.
Oh, wow, it really rotated, didn't it?
Yes, it really likes to move.
Oh, look at that. It's alive.
Well, that's a wrap. We got our 100-inch TV hung out here. It'll be really great for the pool experience at this house. And, you know, we hit the studs on the first shot. I was pretty excited about that. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you need to hang 100 inches of television on your big bad wall.